I know that BCB Live is doing everything they can to appreciate you out there doing what you do. If we fail to say that every day, we are sorry, but you know that deep in our hearts, we mean it full well. The love that we have for every driver out there all the time, no matter what it is. That's why we're here. That's what we do. We want you to know that you're the most important thing out there on the road, and so is everybody that you share the road with. That what we're here to make sure is that everybody gets home safe.
So I'm sitting up here today at the McLeod User Conference, and McLeod's a trucking software, but with it is a great opportunity for me to go out there and also look at some of the equipment out there to make us a safer business, right? To make us, our industry, safer. Excited to talk to some folks this whole week, today and tomorrow and Wednesday, going over, what is new out there? What kind of technology do we have to focus on safety, to help us behind the scenes support our drivers in that endeavor, right? To be safe, to protect life on the road while they're out there. So, man, hopefully we get some great interviews this week. If not, I'll get some good names for us to bring on the show. But I'm excited. I'm telling you right now, there is a ton of technology out there that is now starting to focus, and we've seen this turnaround. I don't know if BCB Lives helped drive and help push in this, and I think we are doing that seriously. But for sure is that we've seen so much technology now around safety, around protecting life.
What I didn't know, that over 20% of the roadways in this country are considered in non-acceptable condition. 20%. And then you drivers out there are expected to take care of the equipment, right? And navigate all this with everything else. Now you've got states that and we're going to see some astonishing numbers, I think, as we go through this. And there's a correlation that you'll see by the end of the week that actually kind of ties in for the most part as well. But 20% are considered the top 5 worst states. Did I say, Dave, I'll bet you can't name number 1.
I'm going to go, just because of the weather in the region, it's probably going to be a Northeast state. I'm going to go Pennsylvania.
No. Is there a driver? I wonder if a driver knows. Because this was really shocking to me, the number 1 state that has the biggest, considered the number 1 worst roads in the country. Nope. It is Rhode Island. It is in Northeast, but not Pennsylvania.
Okay. There's 26 miles of freeway of interstate in Rhode Island.
Well, it doesn't say interstate. It says roadway.
I want to count it.
Yeah, there's one interstate. So hey,
26 exits, I believe, is on that.
Next, again, great job here. Just terrific. Speed, space, had it. Big merge point. Starts to back off. Keeps plenty of space there, and then it goes away. The traffic starts to move away. Just textbook. Great job by this driver. Whoever you are out there, great job. This, to me, is textbook. You recognize you staying in the right lane, which you should. You're prepared to stop, which you almost had to do. And you got the merging, and it just all goes without a hitch because this driver does not create any kind of shorter space for these vehicles to make decisions.